Among the many animals that inspire awe and wonder, the giant panda holds a very unique place in human imagination. With its distinct black and white fur, round face, and almost teddy bear-like appearance, the panda seems more like a character out of a storybook than a real creature from the wild. But behind this gentle appearance lies an astonishing reality. Pandas are not only one of the most beloved animals in the world, but also the most expensive. From conservation efforts to political symbolism, the panda represents far more than a simple wild animal. It is an emblem of global cooperation, cultural pride, and immense economic value. Origins and natural habitat. The giant panda is native to China, specifically to mountainous regions such as Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. Unlike other members of the bear family, pandas have evolved to survive primarily on bamboo, which makes up nearly 99% of their diet. This dietary specialization ties them closely to their environment, and any changes in bamboo forests directly threaten their survival. Their dependency on this single food source has also made them a symbol of fragility in the natural world. Pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating bamboo, and yet bamboo offers little nutrition, which explains their slow movements and relatively low energy lifestyle. Symbol of China. For centuries, the panda has been a symbol of peace, friendship, and harmony in Chinese culture. Ancient Chinese poetry and art often depict pandas as mythical creatures associated with balance and good fortune. But in the modern world, pandas carry even more significance. They are considered a national treasure of China. The Chinese government treats pandas not only as wildlife but as living ambassadors, representing the country in international relations. This unique position as a national symbol makes pandas priceless in ways that extend far beyond biology. The concept of panda diplomacy. One of the most fascinating aspects of the panda's global fame is the practice of panda diplomacy. Instead of selling pandas, China loans them to foreign zoos under highly controlled agreements. Each panda loan comes with strict conditions, including multi-million-dollar payments, agreements about their care, and commitments to conservation research. This diplomatic tool has been used since the mid-20th century and continues to shape international relations today. For example, when a panda is sent to another country, it is often celebrated with grand ceremonies, media coverage, and excitement among the public. These pandas serve as symbols of goodwill, but they also underline China's influence in global affairs. Why are pandas so expensive? The cost of a panda is not about purchasing the animal itself, since they are never truly sold. Instead, it comes from the extensive care, conservation, and international agreements that surround them. When a foreign zoo receives a panda, it must pay an annual fee to China, which can reach up to $1 million per panda. This fee is used to support panda conservation in the wild. On top of that, the cost of building specialized enclosures, providing proper diets, and ensuring veterinary care adds millions more to the total expense. For zoos, pandas are a huge investment but also a major attraction, drawing millions of visitors eager to see the rare animal in person. The breeding challenge. Part of the panda's extraordinary expense comes from the difficulty of breeding them. Pandas have notoriously low reproductive rates. Females are only fertile for a few days each year, making natural breeding rare and unpredictable. Scientists and conservationists around the world have invested decades of effort into developing artificial insemination techniques to increase the chances of reproduction. Even when cubs are born, their survival is far from guaranteed. Newborn pandas are incredibly small, fragile, and require constant care. The high mortality rate of panda cubs further emphasizes how precious each successful birth is. A symbol of conservation efforts. Pandas are not only expensive because of politics and zoos, but also because they embody the global fight to preserve endangered species. For decades, the giant panda was listed as endangered, and international conservation programs poured billions into saving them from extinction. Breeding centers were established in China, and global campaigns raised awareness about habitat preservation. Thanks to these efforts, the panda's status has improved from endangered to vulnerable, a remarkable achievement in wildlife conservation. Yet, the ongoing costs of protecting their habitats and ensuring their survival continue to make them one of the most financially demanding animals on Earth. Pandas in zoos, the economics of attraction. For any zoo, acquiring a panda is both a financial challenge and an opportunity. Pandas attract millions of visitors each year, significantly boosting ticket sales, merchandise, and publicity. In many cases, the presence of pandas can transform a local zoo into an international tourist destination. However, the initial investment is staggering. Zoos must construct elaborate habitats that replicate bamboo forests, maintain a constant supply of fresh bamboo, and provide around-the-clock veterinary care. These costs run into millions annually, making pandas one of the most expensive animals to keep in captivity. Bamboo, the pricey diet. One often overlooked reason behind the panda's expense is its diet. Unlike other bears that eat a variety of foods, pandas require up to 40 kilograms of bamboo every single day. Zoos that do not have bamboo naturally growing nearby must import it, which increases costs dramatically. Some zoos even cultivate special bamboo gardens to supply their pandas. This constant demand for fresh bamboo is one of the reasons why pandas are so costly to maintain outside of their native environment. Pandas as cultural icons. Beyond economics, pandas represent something more profound. They are global cultural icons. From toys and cartoons to international branding, the panda has become a symbol recognized everywhere. Organizations such as the Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF) use the panda as their emblem, emphasizing its role as a face of conservation worldwide. This universal appeal adds to their value, making them not only a biological treasure but also a marketing powerhouse. The life of a captive panda. In captivity, pandas often live longer than in the wild due to medical care and protection from predators. Yet, their lives remain expensive to manage. Specialized veterinary teams monitor their health, while caretakers ensure their emotional well-being. Enclosures must be spacious, climate-controlled, and enriched to encourage natural behavior. The dedication and resources required to maintain these conditions underline why pandas are considered such costly animals. The emotional value of pandas. Apart from the financial costs, pandas hold immense emotional value. They captivate human hearts like few other animals. Their clumsy movements, playful behavior, and innocent appearance make them universally adored. This emotional connection makes pandas invaluable in educational programs, helping raise awareness about endangered species and the importance of environmental conservation. The ability of pandas to inspire empathy and compassion is one of their greatest assets, though it is difficult to place a monetary value on such qualities. Pandas in the wild, an ongoing battle. Even though captive pandas receive immense attention, the survival of wild pandas remains a critical issue. Habitat destruction due to deforestation, agriculture, and human settlement continues to threaten their existence. Conservation projects aim to restore bamboo forests and connect fragmented habitats, but these efforts demand enormous financial investment. Protecting wild pandas is an expensive but necessary mission, as their survival ensures the continuation of one of the most unique species on the planet. International cooperation in research. The panda's global status has encouraged collaboration between countries, zoos, and research institutions. Scientists worldwide share data about panda behavior, health, and reproduction, working together to improve conservation methods. Each international partnership adds to the overall cost but also strengthens the bond between nations. Pandas, therefore, are not just expensive animals, they are vehicles for scientific progress and international friendship. The future of pandas. As the world moves forward, the panda will likely remain the most expensive animal on Earth. Their care, protection, and symbolic value ensure that they continue to hold a unique place in global culture. With advances in conservation science, the hope is that panda populations will increase and their dependence on costly interventions may decrease. However, their role as cultural and political icons will keep them in the spotlight. Whether in the bamboo forests of China or the zoos of major cities, pandas will continue to be treasured, both emotionally and financially. Conclusion: priceless yet costly. The giant panda is more than just a rare animal. It is a living treasure, a cultural emblem, a diplomatic tool, and a conservation symbol. The immense costs associated with pandas reflect not only their biological needs but also their global importance. From the millions spent on their care to the immeasurable emotional value they bring, pandas embody the idea that some creatures are truly priceless. And yet, when measured in terms of money, they remain the most expensive animal on Earth, reminding us that the fight to protect nature often comes with a high cost but also with rewards that go beyond value.